match number 50 and you are all watching are in the third place while they go up against SRMs onto this game.
नमस्कार, फिर से आप सभी का स्वागत है। ये जो दो टीम है, दो स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम है, लेकिन प्रदर्शन तो एक ही टीम का स्ट्रॉन्ग रहा है। दुरई सिंघम जो कि 4 जीत के साथ आ रही है। 20 मिनट का ये हाफ मैं और अपर्णा आप सभी के लिए बहुत शानदार तरीके से इस मैच को प्रस्तुत करेंगे। एसआरएम यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए धरणीधरन कंदासामी की बात हो रही थी, कमाल के खिलाड़ी है। क्या कमाल, क्या जी हाँ, यहाँ पे के सुरेंद्र आए हैं डू और डाई रेड लगाने। पूरे 7 खिलाड़ी मौजूद है, कूदे लेकिन कूद करके वहीं पे गिर गए हैं। दुरई सिंघम का जो डिफेंस है, इट इज लाइक अ ग्रेट वॉल एंड जी राज एसआरएम यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए। And there are, as you can see, 6 defenders, 3 pairs of chain you can see, and probably easily there is a touch point, and G Raj has gone to the lobby and easily taken. फिर से एक बार do or die rate, 4 का घर, the house of 4 and 4 members are protecting their territory, and there's an outsider. Aparna, A. Surinder has entered their house. Can he do any harm?
Not in my house, that's what they used to say. And this time initiating that tackle was Gopinath Thuraipandi. In fact, Gopinath had picked up 9 tackle points. He extended that knee when he was caught, and then there was a jerk. He tried to escape from that. He may have hyperextended it. Hopefully it's not too bad and he might be able to get back soon enough.
5-3 और क्या सही समय पे वो मध्य रेखा को क्रॉस किए और डिड द टाइम एक्सपायर।
Just number 55 and 28 out.
Yes, it was a 2-point raid, Navneet, because as we can see here, there was a dash attempt made on him. And then there was another attempt that came, I think his toe also touched and come back, but we'll take it on the third raid. Again, that's a very defensive-minded strategy that they're going with.
Absolutely, when you have lost so many matches, but here he has cleaned up. He has cleaned up.
Red out. Super tackle. 2 points SRM University.
Oh.
Just number 1. 1 point Durai Singham.
I thought for a moment, Aparna, that he had crossed the line.
He cleaned up, right?
I suppose, yes. Yeah, that is what I thought.
Just
But
number 77
then
in
he has
23
gone out of the lobby.
Yes, it was a super tackle situation. SRM
Absolutely.
University seemed to be holding on barely over here, but the super tackle is on. Do you think they might be able to pick one more this time, Navneet?
I mean, this is an interesting one. Depends upon how Marimuthu Perumal sees it. If he's going to take chance, I think SRM will try absolutely to. Oh, that is not the way.
1 point Durai Singham.
And that's the advanced
Just number
tackle.
2 out.
And hopefully SRM will be able to capitalize. If they do, then the scores can be level.
Eleven 9 सुपर टैकल ऑन है। मरिमुत्तु यहाँ पे फिर से एक बार और
2 plus to 4 points. Durai Singham. All out. SRM University.
And the cookie crumbled over there. This is what happened. In fact, Marimuthu Perumal could not be contained over there, and on his way out, he picks up the second point as well, cleaning up the mat and picking up the first all out for SRM. He says, go ahead and try everything. Play to your abilities and display all your skills on the mat, and he's given them the convenient go ahead right now.
जी अब
No
15 और
restrictions
9
whatsoever.
Red out. 1 point Durai Singham.
Sorry, Navneet. While we understood that
जी
there
हाँ,
were no
Aparna.
restrictions, It was Durai Singham that laid all the restrictions by way of that single ankle hold, and he has very strongly pulled back, almost a solo tackle. It is a solo tackle, barely any support. And this is a do or die raid, and coming in for Durai Singham is Saktivel, who started playing kabaddi at the age of 14 and supported by his cousin, and he's been tackled over here. A very, very nice, solid single ankle hold over there coming from the left corner. Vanavan Palani.
17 और 10 के सुरेंदर रेड लगाने के लिए आए हैं और मेरे विचार से शायद ये आखिरी रेड सिद्ध हो सकता है। पकड़े गए हैं दुरई सिंघम को एक और पॉइंट मिलेगा, लेकिन 7 सेकंड बचा है। इसका अर्थ ये है कि एक और रेड हमें देखने को मिल सकता है। नहीं, इन्होंने यहां पर अपर्णा, इज इट अ विलेमल सुपर 8?
It looks like it. That's what the referees are saying, but they're going to call for a review, it looks like. So we have seen a Velamal Super 8 as per the referee's decision. Will it be reversed? We'll know in a bit. So you can see that ankle hold. After that, he's struggling over there. And in the struggle, he manages to... Oh, yes, crossed. Definitely.
यहाँ पे एम्प्टी रेड के साथ समाप्त होगा और 17 और 13 ये रहेगा। सीटी बजेगी, हाफ टाइम हो गया है। चेंज द कोड, दैट इज व्हाट द रेफरी सेड, एंड द स्कोर लाइन विल रीड 17th पोजीशन एंड द स्कोर इज 7। सही समय पे अपने घर आ गए हैं। एंड अपर्णा, आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन दैट जस्ट लाइक ही रिटर्न्ड होम एट द राइट मोमेंट, कभी-कभी sometimes did it happen for you in your childhood that you returned just on time so that your father or parents might not be angry on you?
Well, yes, that is true to a certain level. But then when you're an athlete and they know you're on the ground, they.
That is very, very interesting. Did you play the most famous sport in India, cricket?
That's the one thing that I didn't want to play. But coming back here, SRM University are coming back solidly. Very, very well done. He has picked up 2 points and level scores. This multi-point raid at this point in time was so needed, and it looks like they are going to be wiping Durai Singham off the mats and picking up their first all-out points.
Absolutely, and good to know those little stories. The score reads 18-18, and that is what it was when the match started, 0-0, and still there's nothing between these two sides. And you have to praise how SRM University has played this game. They were struggling at one moment, and is this the first time, Aparna, when they have gone into the lead?
1+3 points.
Very, very well done by SRM. They have inflicted an all.
Who are running away from the game.
Definitely, there's going to be a lot more adrenaline, a lot more josh in the team, and that will translate on either playing sensibly or taking a lot of risks. So we'll have to see which way the clock is going to tick, and rather how the pendulum is going to swing.
1 point, Durai Singham, just number 16, out.
Aparna, these two teams, how they're shaped up in their standings. One team has won 4 matches and other team has just won 1. And Durai Singham is back into the game. 21-21 is the square. The score is again squared.
Durai Singham.
Yes, leveling up again. That is Sanjay Rajendran, who is going out because Durai Singham have played with a lot of gumption, a lot of clarity over there, going for that beautiful ankle hold from that right corner. Stephen goes back empty-handed.
Everybody is an all-rounder when they are child, but I mean, if you needed to specialize in one field, well, there is possibility that there must be other players as well. So what you pick, and yes, pick the middle line for sure.
That is safe. 3 points, Durai Singham, just number.
Oh my, we saw another Super 8 coming. 3 points. Velamal super raid. One more coming for Durai Singham. You can see how he uses his hands to push the defenders away and escape. And in
जी हाँ, ओपोनेंट के लिए मुश्किल बनाना है, यही कबड्डी का खेल है। 2 खिलाड़ी यहाँ पे मौजूद है। बहुत ज़रूरी है कि सुपर टैकल देखने को मिले हमें। और यहाँ पे क्लीन अप हो जाएंगे। ऑल आउट अपर्णा।
4 points. Durai Singham. All out.
Yes.
University.
very, very well done by Durai Singham. So they have really performed well and kept the accelerator down. Pedal to metal, that's what they've been doing, making sure that SRM are constantly kept at bay, even though there were moments when they seemed like only 3.5 minutes, approximately a little over than 3.5.
Absolutely, the 3 thrilling minutes of game is left, and content and intent, absolutely essential. If you have content and you don't have intent, you cannot do much. And if you have intent but you don't have the content or the skill to match your
Durai
intent,
Singham. Jersey number 55.
then again it's not a solution.
Probably was the most crucial point because they managed to send their star raider out, Saktivel, and this time they are executing a well-planned defensive maneuver over here
Red out.
and getting back-to-back
University.
points, one on offense and one on defense, dispatching both the most important raiders for Durai Singham to the bench. So this is very timely, and this could be the turning point that SRM is looking for. That change in momentum.
और मुझ नहीं, इसके बाद एक और रेड आएगा और मुझे नहीं लगता है कि क्या डू और डाई रेड में जी हाँ पॉइंट लेके जाएंगे और 7 पॉइंट से ज्यादा का डिफरेंस.
Jersey number 19 and
The
55.
difference has turned into 9 points, Aparna, and there is every possibility that Durai Singham are going to walk away with all 6 points in this match.
That's what it looks like unless SRM are able to pull a rabbit out of the hat over here. Very beautifully escaped them by coming in, and he tries to touch the corner over there. But do they have enough juice in them to make sure they stay within 7? No way! They are making sure, Durai Singham is making sure that that's not going to happen. In fact, there's time for one more raid, and this will be in favor of Durai Singham.
Has already been done, and it's just the time we need to spend. And
Durai Singham. All out. SRM University.
suddenly how the game has changed, Aparna. The score
Definitely,
is
and
probably 42 and 28.
Yes, Saktivel went on that last raid and managed to finish with the high, cleaning up the mat and picking up that all out on the final whistle. Very well done. Durai Singham have kept the pressure and done it well.
Exactly, 41 and 28 is the full-time score in favor of Durai Singham. SRM University has lost another match, and